Alrighty, Math 8. No internet today, so we're going to go off a whiteboard. We're going to go with topic 5, lesson 3. We're going to solve systems by substitution. Now, before we solved systems by graphing those two lines and finding where they meet. Okay, now we're going to actually substitute something. Well, what are we going to substitute? That's going to be the fun part, okay? We are going to solve for y like we've always done, okay? We're going to subtract x from both sides. So we're going to end up with y equals negative x plus 50. Now we would normally go and use our y-intercept, which is going to be really high up on that graph, and then graph our slope. Well, now we're going to actually substitute in this y right here, okay? And then we're going to solve for x. So what does that mean? I'm going to have 2x plus 5 times, because y is 5 and the y are being multiplied, negative x plus 50 equaling 160. See how we plugged all of this in right here for the y. Okay, now I'm going to have to distribute this. So I end up with 2x minus 5x plus 250 equals 160. We're going to subtract 2. I'm sorry, we're not going to subtract. We're going to combine these two. Okay, I end up with negative 3x plus 250 equals 160. Okay, subtract 250 from both sides. Don't forget, it's going to end up a negative because it's a larger number here, okay? You're going to end up with 90. So negative 3x equals negative 90. Divide by a negative 3. And x equals 3. Okay, so there's the x for our intercepts, okay? 30. 30, not 3. 30. All right, so there's our x. Remember, we're solving to see where these two lines cross, right? Where they cross. Our x is 30. Now we need to solve for our y, okay? So now we plug in our x that we found down here, plug it in all the way up here into our x. We put in our 30 plus y equals 50. Okay? 30 plus y equals 50. Subtract 30 from both sides, and our y equals 20. So now we take these two answers, and we get 30 and 20 as where those two numbers meet. Okay? We're going to do another example like this. All right, we've got, let's do one with a fraction. Y plus 1/2 x equals 3. And 4y plus 2x equals negative 6. All right, so we're going to solve for y. Top one's going to be easier because there's nothing connected to it.